Right here we have one of the subfloor units. It's just sitting on a temporary jig for now. And right here what we're doing, we're building up the spar column for the EcoPod. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to have about 12 to 14 foot spar height. And then the floor section will go from the spar over to our subfloor. So this here is basically would be the basement section of a house or the EcoPod, and we'll have a floor section that goes over here, and then we'll have another 8 to 12 foot section for the roof and the walls for the EcoPod. So right now we're just getting ready, getting this lined up. We're going to put a coat of wax on here, wax release, the same thing they were doing over at the molds, and then we're going to wrap this with fiberglass and fiberglass string. So basically we got this fiberglass string, and this is going to go up and weave back and forth and create a very strong connection joint right here.